Hi everybody, this is my introduction video. I am Dr. Tracy Sigler. I'm working with you on the class this session. I've been at the Citadel for, this is my fourth year. So I moved here after teaching at Northern Kentucky University for 17 years. It's right across the river from Cincinnati. And since I've been at the Citadel, I've been teaching cadets and MBA students and college transfer students. My degree is in organizational behavior from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Before I got my PhD, I was a purchasing and materials management major. I worked for what was then Chrysler Motors as a buyer of car parts. Decided that wasn't for me, went back to Bowling Green State University, which is where my undergrad is from, and got my MBA and ended up teaching there as part of my graduate assistantship. And then I stayed on as an instructor for 4 years after that before I went on to get my PhD. My first job was at Western Washington University in Washington State, north of Seattle, almost to Canada. My son was born in Washington. We moved to the Cincinnati area. I'm originally from Ohio, and he grew up there. I spent 17 years at Northern Kentucky University. Spent a couple terms as a department head, created a program or co-created a program, a master's program in executive leadership and organizational change. So I'm very interested in leadership development at all different levels. Decided once my son was graduating from high school that I was ready for a new adventure, and I ended up in Charleston, which I love, and except for the hurricane evacuations, which I didn't realize happened until I got here. So I look forward to working with all of you. So my two truths and a lie. One, I sold books door to door for Southwestern when I was in college. Two, I've been to 48 states, so not Hawaii and not Alaska, even though I'd like to get there someday. And I'm allergic to dogs. So I look forward to learning more about you and hearing your guesses.